The navigation system in the GV60 offers many features to help guide you to any destination on your drive. To open the map on your navigation system, first make sure that the vehicle is in park with the parking brake set and the vehicle is turned on. Then, press the map button located on the center console. Notice the icons on the left side of the screen. These icons will hide eventually, but can be made available again just by touching the map. The Home icon returns you to the home screen on the infotainment system. The Map View and Map Scale display are used to change the appearance of the map on the screen. The Voice and Beep Sounds icon enable you to set or mute the voice guidance volume, as well as other sound effects. Selecting the volume priority feature will set the navigation guidance volume to be louder than current audio volume. The menu icon on the left enables a variety of useful features such as route selection, destination input, traffic display, and voice guidance settings. To input a target destination from the home screen, start by pressing the Nav button. Select Search on the screen and begin typing the destination address. You can alternatively search for nearby points of interest without an address as well, such as EV charging stations. Your GV60 will allow you to filter EV charging stations by brand and charger level before searching. Once you've determined your destination, select Set as Destination to begin your route. A destination can also be found by using the hands-free voice command feature in your navigation system. To begin using, first press the Push-to-Talk button located on the steering wheel. You will hear "Please say a command" followed by an audible beep. Then say a phrase such as "Find a coffee shop" to see the results displayed on the screen. From here, you can continue to use voice command by saying the line number of your selection. For a list of available voice commands, refer to your Genesis Owner's Manual for more information. After selecting the recommended or alternate route, the navigation guidance will begin. Press the Cancel Route icon on the infotainment screen to stop the route guidance at any time. Alternatively, you can also press the Push-to-Talk button on your steering wheel and say "Cancel Route" to stop the route guidance. When the route guidance is active, the remaining distance to the destination and estimated time of arrival will be displayed in the lower left corner of the screen. The current location is displayed as well as the set destination address on the lower part of the screen. Note that the arrow on the screen refers to which way the vehicle is facing in reference to the map. Turn by Turn can also be displayed on the head-up display if your vehicle is equipped with this feature. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.